Welcome. In front of me I have Sharp Aquos Smart LED TV 40-inch, and I'm going to show you how we can set the date and the time settings on this device. So at the first we have to move all the settings in the right upper corner. Click OK. Next we have to move for the device preferences. Click OK. And right now go for the date and the time. Tap OK on your remote control, and then we can go to set the automatic date and time, so click OK. And then we can, for example, turn it off. And if you want to set date or the time manually, you have to pick one of the following options by clicking OK, of course. And here you can, by using the arrows, you can change the day, months, on the year. And if you set up, you have to click on the OK button. And also we can set the 24-hour format at the bottom. So tap OK to turn this switcher on. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.